Alright, gang. We've got 5 Blizzard reviews in one. No, I'm just kidding. We got picking some up for the family. So Emma, you want to grab yours? Yeah. Alright, how we doing? Back at the clean for another Blizzard review. Today we got, hold up, it's not going. Alright, chocolate dip strawberry. What do you got, Emma?
Chocolate chip. Chocolate chip.
Alright, give it a flip. See it?
Sorry.
Right.
I'm scared.
Emma is my sister. She's going to be reviewing with us today. You ready for this?
Yep. It's pretty good.
Wow, okay. Chocolate and strawberry. When it comes to fruits, I used to hate them. Kind of like mixed with chocolate and like, and just and sweet flavors in general. Like, I've always been a raw fruit kind of guy, but I'll tell you what, they can really complement a dessert when they have the right ingredients to complement it.
You know, this is pretty good. I usually take cookies and cream milkshakes, so I'm new to this, but this is pretty good. I like how they make the chocolate chips. They're really crunchy. I kind of like that, but yeah.
Only thing is, I think the strawberry is overpowered just a tad. I mean, getting chunks in every bite, so it's kind of like it's obviously the main ingredient, which I mean holds true to the name, but it's pretty sweet. Alright, we're gonna go 7-4 on the chocolate dip strawberry. Good Blizzard, not my jazz. It's good. That's the best way to describe it.
What about you, Emma?
Give this probably a 9/10.
A 9/10?
A 9/10?
This
Wait, what?
well, I gotta say, chocolate chip cookie dough is definitely my second favorite ice cream flavor, but putting it into a Blizzard is definitely brilliant. So that's why I gotta say about this.
Wait, what's a 9/10?
9.10.
9.1?
Emma, go 9-9.
9.9.
Woo! That's a wrap.
9.9 on the chocolate chip cookie dough. That's a wrap. We'll see you next week for another Blizzard review.
Don't forget